Hello everyone, today discuss the new subject water resource. What is water resource? Uh, in this topic, you can cover the following contents, that is hydrological cycle, concept and component, water budget equation, precipitation, forms and measurement, different rain gauges. Now, subject code is RC 702 water resources. Now, hydrology. First of all, hydrology. What do you mean by hydrology? One thing, H refer to water. Just background of hydrology we have discussed. A simple way, H refer the water and study. That means water, study about water. It known as hydrology. Again, hydrology is that combination of three words: circulation, occurrence, and disturbance. The three terms is known as hydrology. That means in hydrology, what happened? First of all, circulation, occurrence, and disturbance. It is the analysis of hydrology. Hydrology means the science of water. It is the science that deals with the occurrence, circulation, and disturbance of water on Earth's atmosphere. Hydrology is classified into two types: scientific hydrology and engineering hydrology. Now, hydrological cycle, water occurs on the Earth in all three states, that is liquid, solid, and gas. There is endless circulation of water between the Earth and atmosphere. This circulation of water is called as hydrological cycle. Now, water on the Earth exists in a space called called hydrosphere, and it has a boundary 15 kilometer up into atmosphere and 1 kilometer down into lithosphere. Hydrological cycle moves within this boundary. That means hydrological cycle जो है moves करेगा hydrosphere boundary से 15 kilometer and lithosphere, that means 1 kilometer. Now, sun and coriolis forces plays an important role in completion of hydrological cycle. That means suns or coriolis is a very important term for create the hydrological cycle. Now, some important energy of movement of this cycle. Now, this diagram shows hydrological cycle diagram. Hydrological cycle diagram. In this diagram, basically rainfall occurs. जब बारिश होगी तो पानी सारे जगह से रिस होके जहां पे डीप हो वहां पानी इकट्ठा होता है. अब उसके सराउंडिंग में हम लोगों ने ट्री लगाया है, different types of tree. So first of all, surface runoff, then water table. जिस हद तक water है, that means water table. Then infiltration, then subsurface flow, surface outflow, and percolation, and right side salt water interaction, and middle portion is groundwater outflow. That means surface round, first of all, surface rainfall occurs, then water table consider infiltration and percolation. Percolation means water comes into the ground level. If you have taken water, that is rainwater harvesting, then provided one chamber before percolation, then water will be collected and you have used the water table rise. Now, precipitation to land, evaporation from precipitation, evaporation from water surface, and evaporation from land, transpiration from vegetation, evaporation from soil, evaporation from reservoir, and surface outfall. Now, this is the ocean, right side will be ocean, and evaporation from ocean, precipitation to ocean, then condensation. बेसिकली हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल होता क्या है, तो हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं बारिश हुई, पानी इकट्ठा हुआ, फिर पानी वो इवेपोरेशन हुआ, देन क्लाउड बना, देन अगेन रेनफॉल आपका हुआ. दिस इज द साइकिल. ये साइकिल चलते रहता है. दैट मीन्स हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल, बारिश हुई, पानी इकट्ठा हुआ जहाँ पे डीप हो, फिर बारिश जो पानी है इवेपोरेशन के थ्रू कंडेंसेशन होगा, देन कंडेंसेशन के थ्रू फिर आपका वाटर रेनफॉल हो सकता है, वाटर रेनफॉल होगा आपका. दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ हाइड्रोलॉजिकल डायग्राम. दिस इज द ऑल कंपोनेंट्स. प्लीज स्टडी अबाउट परकोलेशन. परकोलेशन इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म. जो पानी अर्थ के अंदर चला जाए, दैट इज नोन एज percolation. Before percolation, you have provide a steel chamber or concrete chamber. Because of water store, then use rainwater harvesting and water level rises. Now, animation of hydrological cycle diagram. Please see how can evaporation in this diagram. पहले बादल होगा, बारिश हुई, फिर से पानी इवेपोरेशन हुआ, फिर से बारिश हुआ. This diagram will be shows the animation of hydrological cycle. How can create hydrological cycle? Now, components of hydrological cycle: transportation flow components and storage components. Transportation components: evaporation, precipitation, interception, infiltration, transpiration, and runoff. Evaporation, it is the conversion of water from liquid to vapor state. In hydrological cycle, evaporation main occurs from ocean. Now, precipitation, as the evaporation continues, amount of vapor in atmosphere goes on increasing. After reaching a certain amount, the vapor condenses and some of Earth's surface in the form of rain, snow, and hail, etc. Interception, some amount of rainfall may be intercepted by vegetation, structure, etc., from where it may be evaporated back to atmosphere or moved down to ground surface. Now, infiltration, movement of water, water का जो movement है, movement of water into the soil of the earth surface, water which penetrates into ground surface, increases moisture capacity of the soil. Transpiration. Soil moisture can taken through the roots of the plants and discharges into the atmosphere through the foliage by evaporation. Last one is the runoff. The portion of precipitation which came on the surface and reached the stream channel by above and below surface of earth. Now storage components, there are three storage components: surface storage, soil moisture storage, and groundwater storage. Now water budget. What is water budget? The quantity of water going through various individual parts of hydrological cycle in a given system can be described by continuity principle known as water budget equation. Different modes से जो water आपका hydrological cycle produce किया, that system is known as based on continuity principle, and this is known as water budget equation. This diagram shows example of water budget equation: drainage, evaporation, wastewater from house, rainfall. This is the water budget equation example. Okay, thank you.